Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. Thanks for joining us today in another of our series on learning how to use the new EGW Writings 2 app for Android. Now, in this tutorial, we're going to take a really quick look at how you navigate through the app. The app has a bookshelf system, a side menu system, and also the ability within the reader to navigate up and down. And then the easiest way to show you to navigate the app is to actually use it. So let's dive right in. So if I come back into the reader, open up a book, open up chapter 1, navigation, there's two ways. You can scroll through here, and when you get to the end of the chapter, let me just scroll through, you'll say, oh, I can't go any further. It's not continuous scrolling. All you need to do is don't put your finger out on the right on the edge, because that will do an end screen grab. Just bring your finger in just a little bit and just flick, and it goes to the next chapter. If I want to go to the previous chapter, don't go to the edge screen because it will do an edge screen swipe. Just bring your finger in just a little bit on the screen and pull it in, and it drags through. So that's how you navigate from next chapter to next chapter. Okay. Now, if you want to jump, say, from chapter 3 through to a later chapter, all you need to do at any time is tap up in here in the header, and it shows you your table of contents list. So I can jump down to 16. And if I'm up here in the top, same thing, I can just tap in the header, brings up the table of contents I can jump into. Now there's another thing down the bottom, you've got your navigation slider. You can also put your finger here, and you can quickly, as you can see, navigate through to a particular chapter. Lift, and there you are. So that's how you navigate through the reader. Navigating within the app. Tap the header, it shows the table of contents. Now you'll notice on the right hand side in the table of contents you've got the player. You can actually tap here, open the chapter and play. You can also come up here and read by tapping the header. If you're down in a chapter, it's no problems. You can tap the header. When you tap the header, you come back to the table of contents, and you can show your table of contents. You can also navigate by using the navigation scroll bar at the bottom. If you want to just go to the next chapter, you swipe right to left. If you want to go to the previous chapter, left to right, swiping. Okay. And then navigate at any stage through like that. And then you can just slowly go through and read. So that's navigation within the reader. Let's go back to the main menu again. Tap on the sandwich icon, tap on the home, and I'm back to the main menu. I hope that this tutorial on learning how to navigate through the EGW Writings 2 app for Android has shown you the basics of using it. Now remember, it's not going to be simple the first time. It will maybe look a little complicated because there's just such a wealth of information contained within it. But just remember, you've got the way of navigating through search, or you can navigate through the bookshelf menus, or you can navigate through the reader and the table of contents, and you can also navigate through the side menu. So they're sort of like your three areas of navigation. Now, once you've mastered those three areas, you will get to then probably use My Library. And My Library is a separate navigation way to help you use the app, much like a Kindle reader or a Google Books reader app works. And within the tutorial, we learned how to navigate through those different areas. So thanks for joining us. I'm Darryl Thompson. Spend the time in the app. The more you use it, the more you'll love it. I guarantee it. Bye for now.